Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Feel Good Friday. We're back in the shop today. We're amongst the living. We're feeling good. It's Valentine's Day, so we're gonna bring you the sexiest car in existence. The curves, the beauty, everything that is the Dodge Viper. Yeah. Oh, this particular one's a 1999 Viper RT10, 8-liter V10 powered excellence. We love these cars here at Pilgrim Motorsports. The snake pit over in the corner here. We got all your Cobra needs. We got all your Viper needs. We stock parts for these guys. We have an expert team of people who absolutely love these cars and can service them to all your needs. This one's in for a full service. It's gonna have a baller exhaust upgrade, and it's gonna have a competition brake upgrade as well. And some exciting stuff. For me personally, this is my childhood poster dream car. I really, really, really love a Dodge Viper. Let's find out a bit more about it, shall we? So originally launched in 1992, the Dodge Viper was sort of a callback to the American sports car classic. Carroll Shelby actually was on the design team of the original one of these. This is a 99, so it's the second generation of them. These ones were designed a bit more with the Shelby Daytona Cobra in mind. But you can see it has this amazingly large engine in it. It's a V10 8-liter, making 460 horsepower brake, I believe, from the factory originally. Now, these engines were originally out of a Chrysler LA truck, which were so heavy that they wouldn't work in the application. So at the time, Chrysler owned Lamborghini. They sent this engine over to Italy to Lamborghini and said to them, hey guys, can you make this work in a sports car? So they recast the block, they recast the heads in aluminum alloy, and you get this little known fact that the Dodge Viper actually has a Lamborghini powered V10 in it. What a wonderful thing that is. We've actually done a couple of engine rebuilds on these in the last year here at Pilgrim Motorsports, and yeah, it's becoming a little bit of a niche here. So if you got a Viper out there, if you got a Mopar out there, any American car, you can bring it on down to us, and we will get you the excellence that you need. Take care of them. Love them. They love you. It's Valentine's Day after all, guys. Come on. One of the favorite things about the Dodge Viper are these outrageously large tires that come stock on them. These are 335s on the rear. It's got 275s on the front. These are 14-inch wide rear tires that I can barely sit on. They're positively massive, fantastic, and excellent for doing any sort of burnout that your heart may desire. Now, this car is an absolute beauty. It's got a rear exit exhaust. A lot of these had side exits. Gonna get an exhaust upgrade, gonna be a lot louder, gonna be a lot more furious. But there's a lot of little things that make the Viper an absolutely stunning car. One of the favorites of everyone, the badge. We have our little Viper friend here. All around the car you'll find different touches, different flourishes of Vipering goodness. And it's just one of those things that makes you feel good. These are a car that you absolutely fall in love with. Me personally, when they first came out, they were like my childhood dream car. I wanted one more than anything in the world. And having a chance to work on them on a day-to-day basis is a truly beautiful, beautiful thing. Yeah, if you guys love Vipers, give us a shout. We're here for you. If you want to come in and see the Viper, it's here too. Because, you know, you can just come and check it out. It's a cool car. It's Valentine's Day, of course, which means that it's a doors open kind of day. And yeah, the world is our oyster. We can have... For myself, Spencer, and for everyone here at Pilgrim Motorsports, you have yourself a wonderful, wonderful weekend, a wonderful, wonderful Valentine's Day, guys. This has been Feel Good Friday from the Viper Pit. Don't you go change it. We sure will.